Are you looking for the best cordless nail gun in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best cordless nail gun that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, Porter Cable Cordless Nail Gun. The cordless brand nailer is a great choice for those who are looking for a reliable and powerful nailer. This nailer is 100% battery powered, which eliminates the need for a compressor, hose, or costly gas cartridges. The motor design of this nailer provides consistent firing power into various materials and climate conditions. Additionally, the multiple tool-free settings of this nailer provide ease of use. This unit's lightweight and optimal center of gravity provide user comfort in multiple positions, reducing user fatigue overall. The cordless brand nailer is a great choice for those who are looking for a reliable and powerful nailer. This nailer is 100% battery powered, which eliminates the need for a compressor, hose, or costly gas cartridges. Additionally, the multiple tool-free settings of this nailer provide ease of use. This unit's lightweight and optimal center of gravity provide user comfort in multiple positions, reducing user fatigue. At number 2, Paslode Cordless Finish Nail Gun. Precise nail placement. The angled magazine of the cordless brand nailer allows for precise nail placement in tight spots, like crown molding or baseboard in the corners. No downtime. The 7V Li-ion battery and up to 12,000 nails per charge means less downtime and more work getting done. Lightweight. At only 4.5 pounds, the cordless brand nailer is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it a great choice for any project. Convenient maneuvering. The cordless design and lack of hoses makes work easier and more convenient. Nomar Tip. The Nomar Tip preserves the smooth surface of your work and prevents scratching and markings. At number 3, DeWalt Angled Nail Gun. The DeWalt 20V Max * cordless finish nailer is a 100% battery-powered tool that eliminates the need for gas, a compressor, or a hose. The brushless motor of the 16-gauge finish nailer maximizes runtime and durability. The tool-free selectable trigger allows for sequential or contact actuation modes. The tool-free depth adjustment allows for precise countersinking of nails. The tool-free jam release quickly and easily clears nail jams. The multifunctional LED lights help to provide both workspace illumination and tool diagnostics. The integrated tool-free stall release lever quickly resets the driver blade in the event of a stall. The adjustable belt hook allows for left or right attachment depending on user preference. The inline magazine provides easy use in multiple orientations and in tight spaces. The cordless finish nailer is compatible with all DeWalt 20V Max * batteries. At number 4, CRAFTSMAN Cordless Finish Nailer. This 16GA cordless finish nailer is a great tool for anyone who needs a convenient and easy way to finish their projects. The cordless design means that there are no compressors, hoses, or costly gas cartridges needed, and the tool-free depth settings make it quick and easy to set up. The lightweight design and optimal center of gravity make it easy to use and comfortable to hold, and the contoured over-molded handle provides added comfort. The belt hook is a convenient way to keep the nailer close at hand, and the tool-free jam and stall settings make it easy to use. At number 5, Metabo MultiVolt Nailer. The Metabo HPT 18V cordless paper strip framing nailer is a versatile and powerful cordless nailer that is perfect for construction framing applications. Look no further than the 18V cordless paper strip framing nailer from Metabo HPT. The nailer uses Metabo HPT's new compact 3.0 Li-ion battery to drive 400 nails per charge, making it a great choice for job site punch-out work. The tool-less depth of drive adjustment allows you to get a professional finish with varying materials, and the unique air spring drive system delivers similar performance to a pneumatic nailer. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.